Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to move columns in Google Sheets. This is very easy. As you can see here, I have three columns that is currently containing text here. And it's in order to move a column, let's say I want to move column C and put it here in the middle, I can easily do that just to keep the names looking like that. So all you have to do is just hover over the column where it has the letter, and you will see it gives like a full hand palm. If not, you will see that it basically shows you the cursor. But once you hover over it and you see the palm, it simply means that if you left click, you will be able to move it. So if I left click and hold, I can now drag that entire column into the location that I want to. So once you do that, as you can see, I have it like this. It's entire, it's highlighted. Then I can just let it go right between the two columns there. And as you can see, this new column, or the column C, now become column B, and it contains the data like this. And that's how you go ahead and move a column, guys, in Google Sheets. Very easy and very simple.